Hi there, students. Device, appliance, tool, gadget, gizmo, widget, apparatus and contraption. So let's see, I think a device is a very general word, particularly a mechanical or electrical piece of equipment made for a particular purpose. Okay, this is a device to regulate the flow of water. An appliance. To me, an appliance is generally something that you find in a kitchen. An electrical appliance like a toaster or a washing machine or a blender. These are all kitchen appliances, and I think appliance is white goods, the machines that you might use in your kitchen. A tool. Okay, a tool is something to work with. It's an instrument for a job, but a builder has tools, a carpenter has tools, a hammer, it's an instrument to use to get things done. Then a gadget. Okay, a gadget is a small device, a small machine with a particular purpose. A handy little gadget. Normally a gadget does some clever little thing, but a gadget, it can be electric or it can be mechanical as well. Now a gizmo. I think a gizmo is just like a gadget, but we use the word gizmo, I think, particularly when we don't know what to call this gadget. Yeah, it doesn't really have a name. A gizmo. Normally it's some sort of mechanical or electric piece of equipment that does some special job. It's a gizmo that measures the density of metals. Then a widget. Okay, I think a widget is like a gizmo in that it's an unnamed article for some purpose. But notice a widget can also be a little bit of software to do something. A widget's normally a small mechanical device, a knob or a switch, which you can't, you haven't really got a name for it. Okay, it's a widget. Apparatus. An apparatus is a set of equipment altogether for a particular use. This makes me think of chemistry apparatus for making different chemicals or things like that. The apparatus. It's an apparatus is much bigger. A widget or a gizmo or a gadget are quite small. Apparatus can be quite big. And then we have this contraption. I think a contraption is a weird looking apparatus, a weird looking machine. It's strange and you don't really know what it's used for. It's some strange contraption to resolve this problem. A contraption's quite big, an apparatus is quite big, whereas the gizmo or the gadget are much smaller. And then and that's it. So I think these are all devices. So the listening device was hidden in a pen. Yeah, I think that might be the listening gizmo, the listening widget, the listening gadget. The the television receiving apparatus. The satellite dish is an apparatus to get the signal. Kitchen appliances you go and you buy from a shop. Okay, so apparatuses and devices. I think device 5 informality, appliance 5, gadget 4, gizmo. Okay, Gadget 4.5, Gizmo 4, Widget 4.5, Apparatus 5, Contraption 5. Okay, so they're neutral or slightly informal. Yeah, so that's a good set of words for you. Device, appliance, tool, gadget, gizmo, widget, apparatus, and contraption.